In this video, I am going to tell you how to increase volume of any video or audio. So in Filmora, you can use Wondershare Filmora. So you need to add any video in your timeline. I hope you know how to do it. It is very simple. If you have Filmora, you must be knowing it. You can see these are the signs of my voice. So let me show you my voice now. So sound is very low now. So I need to increase it. So what I need to do, I need to open this. You can see at the right hand side there are some options: video, audio, color. So you need to click on this audio option, and herein you can see volume option is showing here. So you can increase the volume from here. It is as of now you can see 0. So when I will increase it, it will, you can see this sound bars will also increase. So I will increase it. You can see, you can make it up to 18 or you can make it like 12. You can see this is now increased sound. If you decrease it, this sound bar will decrease. You can see the changes as here in the sound bar. You can increase or decrease it from here. You can increase it like this, and you can see voice is increased. So I hope friends now you will be able to increase the voice of your video, on you can increase the sound of your audio. So it is very useful. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.